How do you feel about the positioning sometimes, not all the times, of how we as media, because this is us, have positioned you as a black entrepreneur? How do you feel about that? Do you feel people, in some cases, for the lack of a better word, are out to get you or out to pull down a brother? What's your perception on that?
Oh, number one, you didn't position me as an entrepreneur. I position myself as an entrepreneur because I am one.
Yes,
but what's beautiful about myself as opposed to other people is that my track record is consistent over 10 years. So people that follow my work know that I'm sincere in what I do. People have seen results of the work that I do. People know that I'm a hard worker. People follow my life on a continuous basis. And people deep down know what I stand for and what I'm about. So I'm a tried and tested. I survive these storms and I always make something positive out of them, which is exactly what I'm doing now, but you'll understand a couple of months later from now. And I think South Africa has been waiting for an opportunity. You've got politicians that are making strides and moves. You've got celebrities that are making strides and moves. But then you don't have a face for what is called social entrepreneurship. And I'm that face right now. Somebody that comes up with smart solutions to solve problems, make money out of it, while empowering other people at the same time. I think South Africans, we've always been under the notion that we need to rely on government for everything, or we believe that when you're doing something good, you don't have to get paid for it. I've done something wonderful with my foundation almost for a decade now. And just 2 years ago, I decided to still continue doing good, empowering people, but come up with a model that is still going to put money into my pocket. Because tomorrow, if I go broke, people are going to still laugh at me. Nobody's going to come and help me. Because I don't see a lot of people helping Zola right now with all the wonderful work that he used to do. A lot of people are actually, we are actually failures because we failed ourselves. By failing Zola, we failed ourselves because he's been on television empowering our nieces, our nephews. He inspired a lot of us. But today, not a lot of us are standing up to try and assist their brother. There are a few individuals. So I also don't want to go a route where I'm dependent on people. My future relies on my hands, and that's the reason why I'm a social entrepreneur. I'll help you, but I need to get paid first.